Hi. Can I sit here?
Sure. Please sit.
Thanks. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's really good.
Do you come here a lot?
Yes, almost every day. What about you?
I'm new here. I moved last week.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Adam. And you?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you work near here?
Yes, I work in a bookshop.
That sounds nice. Do you like books?
I love books. Do you read?
Yes, I like stories.
What book do you like most?
Maybe The Alchemist. You?
To Kill a Mockingbird.
Oh, I know that one.
You should read it. It's very good.
Okay, I will. What do you do at work?
I run the shop.
That's cool.
What job do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, I like it.
Where do you work?
I work at home.
That's nice. Do you work full-time?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
Do you work on weekends?
Only if I have to.
Do you drink coffee?
I love coffee. You?
I drink 2 cups every day.
Do you take it black or with milk?
With milk and sugar.
Same here.
Do you come here to relax?
Yes, I like the fresh air.
Do you walk or jog?
Just walk. Jogging is hard.
Haha, same for me.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. You?
I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
Bruno. And your cat?
Luna.
Do you like movies?
Yes, a lot.
What kind do you like?
Action and drama. You?
I like funny movies.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes, on weekends.
With friends or alone?
Mostly with friends.
Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy it. You?
I try, but I'm not good.
What do you cook?
Easy food, pasta, eggs.
That's fine.
What's your best dish?
Pasta.
Wow, that's great.
Do you like spicy food?
A little. Not too hot.
I love spicy food.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
What kind of music?
Pop and soft music. You?
I like soft rock.
Do you play an instrument?
Guitar. What about you?
I played piano before.
Do you travel a lot?
Not yet, but I want to.
Where do you want to go first?
Japan. You?
Italy. I love Italian food.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like paintings.
Me too. I visit art places.
Do you draw or paint?
Just for fun.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, mostly on Netflix.
What's your favorite show?
Stranger Things.
I like that too.
Do you watch sports?
Sometimes cricket.
I like tennis.
Do you play any sport?
I play badminton.
That's fun.
Do you like rainy days?
Only if I stay home.
Same here.
Do you like sunsets?
I love sunsets.
Do you come here every day?
Almost every evening.
Maybe I'll see you again?
I hope so.
Want to walk a little?
Sure, let's go.
Do you like long walks?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Me too.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, I can give it to you.
Great. Here's mine too.
So, are we friends now?
Yes, park friends.
This was a good talk.
I enjoyed it.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, around 6.
Okay. See you then.
See you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.